This Care Alert Smart Dialer tutorial is for those who are having a very rare problem of the Care Alert Smart Dialer for some reason giving out some chirping sounds. Now that can usually only ever happen when there has been a slight fluctuation in voltage and you need to reset the Care Alert Smart Dialer. So if for some reason it's continually making a chirping sound, you simply take the connection off the back of the Care Alert Smart Dialer like so, pull it out like that,
mains power
you'll hear that message, mains power is not detected, then reseat it, push it firmly back in, and that should stop the problem. Thank you.